Our programs focus on child protection, health, education, and youth development, and we try to adapt to the ever-changing needs of children and young people in our region. At the heart of these achievements is the strength of soft power, compassion and understanding, the ability to build trust, to mobilize communities, and to inspire change where hard power has failed. Growing up in a political family, I learned firsthand how advocacy and diplomacy can serve children, the way that armies can't. But no organisation can do this alone, as the needs are still many. And that's why today's gathering really matters. Through cross-regional cooperations, our collective soft power move way beyond symbolism and into strategy, so that every child has the chance to be safe, to be healthy, and to be educated. Thank you.